If you're wondering what a deluxe interior cabin on Disney Wonder looks like, then you're watching the right video. Hey there cruisers, it's Shane from SW Black Travel here, and today we're going to take a look at a deluxe interior cabin being cabin 2607 on board Disney Wonder. And directly ahead of us you can see the bunk beds set up in the nighttime configuration, so this is how your room steward will prepare your room at nighttime. The queen bed, very comfortable, pillows were a delight to sleep on, and there is plenty of room under the bed to store your luggage or perhaps your shoes, depending on how you like to do things. But turning back around, you can see the abundance of storage available. Another view of the bunk beds, but the privacy divider, there is a curtain there that can be pulled across to give you some privacy. Kids love it because they feel like they get their own space, and parents love it because you don't see the kids. Progressing through, you can see a shorter cupboard on the right there. Again, plenty of storage, and then the sliding door cupboard. And then here we have the split bathroom, which means that there is a shower and a vanity on one side, and a toilet and a vanity on the other. There you have it, that's cabin 2607. This cabin does interconnect with 2609, which is another deluxe interior cabin. And if you click the link on screen now, you can actually go ahead and look at that walkthrough. That cabin is set up in the daytime configuration. So this one was set up at nighttime configuration. 2609 is daytime configuration. So you can see how the cabins look at both daytime and nighttime. And that's it from us. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, pop any questions you may have in the comments below. And until next time, keep cruising.